Hi, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nao Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Sharpie design, also using gel polish and striping tape. So for this nail, I've already applied an acrylic nail extension. We've then used the Urban Graffiti gel polish in white on, which is the nice bright white. I've top coated this as well. And now I'm going to put some of a cheeky named Urban Graffiti gel polish. This one's called Pop My Cherry. Just going to pop it there, and as I bring it up, I'm leaving a little bit of a pool of the product there, and I'm going to use a dotting tool to then bring down some of this colour, and we're looking for a chevron shape here. So you're bringing it down into a nice V. I'm going to tickle this even closer to the cuticle. We're not going to flood it. Just using your detail brush. And you can see the pigment is super rich in this colour. So we only need one coat. I'm going to pop that into the lamp. If you've got LED, you're going in for 60 seconds. UV's 2 minutes, so we'll pop that in and cure. So now that's cured, I'm going to use the gel residue wipe off solution. Wipe over that. Now for the fun bit. Sharpie. Random little splodges of colour. Don't go over onto your Pop My Cherry, you don't want to go over onto that. Now we're going to use the gel residue wipe off solution in a spray bottle. Spray it on, watch it flow, see how it starts to merge together and bleed into each other. Let it do that for a second. And let it start to dry a little bit. Then you're going to go again. And watch that merge now. In this dapping dish, I've got a little bit of the gel residue wipe off solution, a little detailing brush. And what we're going to start to do is touch little sections of it. And it'll start to bleed even more. And what it does is it forces the colour outwards. Gonna add a little bit more green here. It's a good thing about Sharpies, you can keep adding to this. A little bit of pink there. Into your solution with your detail brush, and you're going to start to touch it. You don't need to spray it again. You're going to touch it now with the brush, and this will help it on its way, and it'll start to run and merge. Next, I'm going to use glass slipper. Just going to use this on the Pop My Cherry colour. And can you see this? It's clear, but it's got loads of particles of the blue in. It's going to add a nice shimmer and sparkle to that colour. I'm going to pop that into the lamp. Now that's cured, we're going to use Mega Gloss Sealer Gel. You're going to go over your Sharpie design. Make sure that's all nice and covered first. And then you can go over your gel polish as well. Pop that into the lamp. So now that's completely cured. I needed to top coat that because I'm going to mess around with it now. I didn't want to ruin the design. Because now we're going to put some striping tape on. We're going to edge this chevron V with the striping tape. So I've cut off a little section. Gently place it down. You get some nippers, this is the easiest way to cut this really, rather than scissors. Then you're going to get another bit. Press that down. Snip off the excess, careful with the skin. And what we're going to do now is going to get the Mega Gloss Sealer. Tiny bit there. Get your stones. Pop the rhinestone right at that join. Put that into the lamp, cure that, and then we can top coat it. So now that's secure, we're going to seal all this. So we're going to top coat it with the Mega Gloss Sealer. And you need to make sure you go right to these edges. So get them nice and neat. If you don't seal your taping, it will start to lift off the nail. Your gel sealer is going to seal it in and stop it from going anywhere. It's also going to seal your little rhinestone in as well. So now we're going to pop that into the lamp. Now that's cured, you want to put your cuticle oil on. So that's an alternative Sharpie design for you. Really easy, quick, and ideal for short nails.